Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Resourceful Living Homestead. Today we are going to do week number 11 with Survival Seeds 2025 collaboration with VC Family Homestead, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead. So we're going to go over here to the greenhouse where everything is growing so much. My goodness, I am going to show you the survival seed stuff, and then I'm going to show you a couple of other things that's growing in here just because I'm so excited about it. So we'll start off with the Roma tomatoes. As you can see, Romas everywhere. I mean, they are everywhere. Lots of Roma tomatoes coming in, you guys. I am super excited about it. I know, so we've got 3 tomato plants. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of these tomato plants that are slicers, but we do have some Romas mixed in with here. We've got some cherry tomatoes mixed in here. We've got a few plants over here. Here's another Roma in there. Back here, that ends up being a Roma. These over here are Romas. So half of this side are Romas. We've got 1 cherry and 3 slicer tomatoes. But my goodness, you guys look at that pole up there. This rod. So last week's update, they were, I can't remember if they were at the pole last week. The week before, they were about 8 inches from it. Last week, I think they were at the pole, and now look at them. They are brushing the top. Got to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But just want to touch on a couple of things out here. First of all, we have broccoli coming in on all 3 plants, and that's little Maverick's broccoli right there. He is at Camp War Eagle right now. He's going to be super excited that he's got broccoli coming in. And I want to show you guys something. This is very weird. So this is a Roma plant right here. And then this stem that comes off of this has got these weird leaves on it. That is some kind of hybrid something. If anybody can tell me what that is growing off of that Roma, please do, because that is not a Roma plant. That is some kind of different leaves that grew out of here just like that. So it's some kind of hybrid. So let me know. I'm probably going to cut those off, but I wanted to bring that. I'll need to get a picture of it and put it on the Google app to see what's going on. And I know I spotted another cauliflower coming in down there. But let's get back on the survival seeds. That's what everybody wants to see. Although I got one more thing I want to show you. That's not survival seeds. Look at there. That is a watermelon. So excited about my watermelon. Now, I do have a pumpkin. I do have a pumpkin on the vine. Let me see if I can find it. Looky here, guys. Looky here. Looky there. At my little pumpkin. My sugar pie pumpkin. And I believe there is one more out here. There was 2. I was twisting the pot around to try to get the vines that are hanging down going down the hillside, and I knocked one off, but I was thinking there was one more. Anyway, I don't want to touch them. They've already started grabbing on the ground, but you guys, they're moving down the hill. They're moving down the hill in my watermelon. Now, I looked at my cantaloupe yesterday, and I didn't see anything on the cantaloupe yet. So anyway, back to survival seeds. I'm just so excited, you guys. I know you can tell. Just, whoo, the garden is looking so good. Let's see, bell peppers. Look how much the bell peppers have gotten tall out here. Look at that bell pepper. Cow Wonder bell pepper. Look how big that one is. Woohoo! Gonna have some bell peppers. And then this tomatillo. Woo, it is just outrageous. And that one over there, I'm thinking it's gonna be a tomatillo too. Those were some, this tomatillo was in a packet of bell pepper seeds. This one over here is a volunteer because the bell pepper is planted where it was supposed to be. Okay, bouncing over. Okay, you guys, look what's back here. Look what's back here. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? It's a Bradley tomato that will be ready to slice up on a BLT before too long. Okay, bell peppers, bell peppers. Lots of bell peppers coming on. Cow Wonder bell peppers. Let's see, there's some back there. Woohoo, look at this big one right there. All of them's got bell peppers on them. Lots of bell peppers. Oh, you guys, I mentioned on the kidney beans how they were stunted out. They had some new growth in the center of them, but they had just stunned out and the leaves had started turning brown. I cut off all those leaves off of it, and immediately look how big those kidney beans have gotten. So that's fantastic. I am super excited about those. The weeds, man, the weeds are just nuts. I'm out here every day pulling weeds. Just pulling weeds, pulling weeds. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Overnight, everything grows so fast. Nothing in this bed for survival seeds. Okay, so in here are my radishes. My beets. And I looked around, so there is a beet. I wondered how you know when to pull it, but anyway, that beet is protruding from the ground. I'm gonna leave it in there a little bit longer. It's gonna look down here at this one. You see, it's not protruding yet, but I'm just gonna leave those a little bit longer. I don't think I'm ready to pull those yet. Oh, onions. I gave the onions a haircut, and boy, they loved getting their hair cut, but they've started growing even more. So onions are doing good. So my new 7th seed, since the corn didn't come up. You know what? Looks like there might be some corn coming up back there, but you know what? These cucumbers are going to take it over. So I planted some cucumber. I haven't had a whole lot of luck with cucumbers in the past, but I went ahead and planted some, tossed some seeds down there to see what they would do. But yeah, onions are doing good. Cucumbers are coming up. My beets are doing good. My Romas are doing fantastic. My kidney beans are finally coming up. Some of my stuff is slower to come up than what I'm seeing some of y'all's updates and stuff, but that's okay. It is just fine. My bell peppers are doing great. So overall, Survival Seeds 2025 collaboration is doing fantastic. Another tomato over here, look. Woohoo! That was the first one, the Heat Master, that came up. That thing has, that one has 11 tomatoes on it. And it is probably the next to the smallest tomato plant out here. And they're all down at the bottom. But anyway, I just harvested herbs 2 days ago. And they are going nuts out here, which is great. Loving it. Loving it. Great garden. Romas, bell peppers, onions, kidney beans, beets, sugar pie pumpkins. Everything has growth. And that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.